All right, so here we are at number 4. Number 4 is just a slight variation on the same theme. We don't need to learn anything else new about this one. We're just going to have to simply apply what we already know to this problem and see if we can't use it to figure itself out. Now, in this one, they're actually starting you with the answer. They're telling you that the average is the 3745. Well, what else are they telling you? Well, they're telling you it comes in two different flavors, this element X isotope, 37 and 38. Except that they're telling you it's really not 37. The 37 actually has a mass of 3724, because they're telling you that there. X37 has a mass of 3724. And, by the way, they're telling you that it has an isotopic fraction of 0.7721, which means that it's 77.21% that is there. Now, they don't tell you anything about 38, except that they kind of do, in that they're telling you that there's only 37 and 38. So if they're telling you that this guy here is 77.21, then by logic, this guy here would have to be 22.79%, because those two added together have to be 100%. So by telling you that this guy is 77.21, they're also telling you that this guy here is 22.79. So as soon as we know that that guy is 22.79, percent here, then this is 0.2279 as far as its fraction. The only thing that they don't tell you is the mass. That is your unknown. I don't know what that is. But we have only one unknown, right? And we have one equation, so we can use that to figure it out. So let's go ahead and start this off like normal. First of all, let's deal with the 37. So the 37, we're going to take the 3724, which is its mass, and we're going to multiply it by its fraction, which is 77.21. And we know that we're going to have to add that to the 38. Now, we don't know what the 38's mass is, so that's going to be x. But we know that its fraction is 0.2279. And then all of that goes together to tell me what the overall answer is here, the overall average. And in this particular case, they actually gave that to you. Remember, that was the first thing that they told you. They said it's found to have an atomic mass of 3745. So this guy here has a mass of 3745. So now I've got one equation, one unknown, really easy, solve for x, and you are done. So I've got 3724 times the 0.7721, assuming I've done my math right, then those guys work out to be 28.75. And then this is 2279 times x, so this is going to be 0.2279x, and that's equal to 37.45. Subtract this over, 2875, using algebra you learned in the 6th grade or whatever, and you get 2279x is equal to 8.7, and then divide by your 2279, your 0.2279, and then x is equal to 3817, assuming I have done my math correctly. So, in this particular problem, it's the same thing, it's just that they're asking you for something slightly different. In this problem, they're asking you for your x here in the middle, and they have given you the answer. In the other problems, like this guy here, they have given you each of the factors, and they're expecting you to come up with what the final answer is there. So it's the same thing, just a slight variation on the